What if I told you the best cough remedy was written over 1,000 years ago? In the pages of the Canon of Medicine, Avicenna, the legendary Persian physician, described a cough treatment that rivals modern CPC. He combined licorice root, honey, and violet flower extract to create a soothing elixir. Licorice reduces inflammation, violet flowers calm the throat, and honey coats and protects the airways. But that is not all. He also recommended boiling raisins with barley water and drinking it warm. This natural remedy was said to not only stop dry cough, but also strengthen the lungs. And guess what? Modern studies now confirm that these ingredients have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. No synthetic drugs, no side effects, just pure, natural healing. Isn't it time we looked back to move forward?